How to buy Sobux on Fall Guys. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to buy Sobux on Fall Guys. Buying Sobux on Fall Guys is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Fall Guys, launch the Fall Guys game on your platform. Go to the store. From the main menu, navigate to the store or shop section. This is where you can purchase in-game currency and other items. Select Sobux. In the store, find the option for Sobux. There should be different bundles or amount available for purchase. Choose a bundle. Select the bundle of Sobux you want to buy. You can usually choose from various amount based on your preference and budget. Proceed to checkout. Once you have selected your desired bundle, proceed to checkout. This will typically involve confirming your purchase and entering payment details. Complete the purchase. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete your payment. This may involve using your credit card, PayPal or other payment method depending on the platform. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.